Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and in alternative DNS type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. Click on OK to save changes. Just close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the network adapter section. If you have multiple network adapter listed over here, then you need to locate your Wi-Fi adapter guys. To know your Wi-Fi adapter, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. In your Wi-Fi adapter, you can able to see the name of the Wi-Fi adapter guys. Mine is Realtek PCIe GPE family controller. In your case, where Wi-Fi adapter, you can able to see the name listed over here, and after seeing it, just close off here. Now you can determine which is your Wi-Fi adapter name. Just right click on it and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Select search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. Just press enter. After finishing these two commands, you just need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.